Hello everyone and welcome to the Linux lecture. So we now have our Ubuntu installed and I'm going to show you how to install updates in your Ubuntu OS operating system. So let's talk a little bit about the terminal. Okay, so the terminal is, as I told you before, is where you can control everything through command lines that you want to give your computer, some action that you want to give your computer to do, or your operating system. So you're going to get used to a lot using the command line because everything is possible to do through this window. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you just for now just a few commands, and I will give you a huge list of all the commands and what each of the commands will do in the terminal. Okay, so for now, let's just update. And to get updates for your current system, we're going to use the sudo. And sudo is basically a program that allows users to run programs with all the privileges, okay? So you should use sudo before we're going to use the apt-get, okay? So in Linux and Unix, there's a lot of privileges, authorizations going on. So you might experience that whenever you need to use a program or run a program in Ubuntu or other Linux distribution, you'll need to put your user account password or your user operating system password. Okay, so it's a very secure operating system, and for that you will always need to put a password. But you can always opt or go to your settings and opt for not putting your password every time you need to install a software. Okay, so let's continue, and after sudo, give it a space, and let's use the program called apt-get space again, and now we type update, okay, and type enter. So now, as you can see, it's asking me for a password for Victor, which is my user, for sudo privileges. So basically, we need to type our password that we used. It will not appear as you type. So let me see if I get it wrong. And there it is. Okay. So it's now downloading all the updates that I need for Ubuntu. Usually these updates come from repositories. We call them repositories. Repositories are buckets of software or applications that are stored on the web. Okay, so as you can see, we have HTTP security Ubuntu, and then we have the path for different packages or software or updates. Okay, so automatically it's going to check or to get from repositories around the world, or the closest repositories. As you can see, I have here pt.archiveubuntu.com. This means PT is from Portugal, because since I'm in Portugal, it's getting all the software or updates from Portuguese servers. Okay, so yeah, that's how it works. It will get all these software updates from repositories around the world or the closest servers. And now we are done. Okay, now I think we have everything we need in our Ubuntu system. Okay, so now that we have downloaded all of these, we need to upgrade. Okay, in order to upgrade, we're going to do pretty much the same thing. So apt-get and then upgrade. Okay, and it's now upgrading. After this operation, additional disk space will be used. So let's just click yes, and it's now downloading. Now it should take a while, so I'm gonna fast forward this video. It depends on your internet connection, but it takes a while to download all of these packages. So yeah, this is how we do it. If you feel that you don't want to wait so much time, you can cancel. Okay, you can cancel this and close the terminal and continue the course or the next lectures without installing this. Okay, so see you guys in the next lecture. Bye.